All right, so we're going through and cleaning out a lot of these beds because there were herbs like this Fit Mini cilantro over here. They're gonna die tomorrow. So I wanted to spend a day in the garden, so it's good to just go ahead and clear them out now. And we went through and cleared those out, but I left in the oregano and the thyme and the rosemary and the things that are gonna come back next year. So what we're gonna do now is probably add in some compost, because we haven't added any compost in these beds since last spring, and then we'll turn that in, and then we may get a cover crop going through here.